On the tree trader, charts lit, wrist tight, yeah. Inside bars only, tree trader, charts lit.
I'm trading in the
tight,
prize, futures on the
Inside
screen.
bars only, tree trader.
Firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar break, way patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk of fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. Ain't Q moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the pine tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah they fund the dream. Inside bar break, way patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk to find, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah, funded to live, that's a different feel. Trade, they take profit, apex on the deal. Evaluation passed, now it's payout talk. While they blowing accounts, we taking walks. Inside bar at key high, that's pressure building. Yeah, break off the range, yeah, that's conviction. Yeah, no indicators clutter in my sight. Just price action, structure candlelight. Chat yelling long, I mute that noise. Market don't care about opinions, boy. One clean setup, that's all I need. Small losses, big wins, consistency. Slow grind, fast life. Charts don't lie, cut losses quick, let winners ride. Funded accounts, yeah that's the plan. Side bar break, execute it. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah they fund the dream. Inside bar break, way patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. Pine tree trader, yeah we build on rules. Price action only, that's the tool. From sin to payout, yeah we stay clean. Inside the pines, that's the thing.
Yo, what is up? What's up, what's up? Be right back.
Yeah.
Right back, right back.
On the tree.
Yeah. Well.
I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the
What is up? What's up? Feel all out of sorts here. Corey 2S, Lay in the house, Trader Moe's, Trading in the Pines. What's going on? Dave Mack, Bear Trader. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, something to do with the probably shadow ban, Miss K. I don't know. Sailing, what is going on? D-Mitch. Some new names in the chat. What's going on? What's up? What's up? JLD 54, Rage GT 50, Bear Trader in the house. We got Zero. We got Profit Guru, Adam K, Michelle, Trades by Neo, Real Sharp Trades, Jaybirds, Trader. Yes, thank you. 7,000. Let's go. Thank you so much. Russell Singh, Corey 2S, Brian. What's up? Let's do this real quick. Market's gonna open up here in 5 minutes. How did everyone do today? So I had a kind of a mixed day. My day was mixed because I blew all my Apex accounts. No, I blew all my Apex accounts. They're all gone. Got 2 payouts though. So I got a trade day payout. Trade day. And I also got a My Funded Futures payout. Daily payouts. But yeah, I went in 2 minis on my Apex accounts. And guess what? That killed them. That killed them in a hurry. So that's how my day went. Pull over my this is my My Funded Futures Rapid account. Got it up to 1,693, or this is at 1,693. So I'm taking a $600 payout, just about a $600 payout out of those. And trade day, about the same. Damn it, I just did it again. I'm trying to sign in my trade day and I just... So that really sucks. I gotta reset my... I just haven't been able to get anything going with my Apex account since I got the big payout. I don't know, psychological, I guess. Here's the trade day funded account. This was day 1. Guys, I'm telling you, I love this end of day. So this is today's stats. What's up, JLB? What's up, Spaces? BC Drums. Adam K. Yeah, it's all right, man. Yeah, I mean, it happens. I mean, how many accounts did I lose? 15. What was the trade that killed them? It wasn't one trade. It was, that's the thing. So, like, I made a post about how what happens is, like just trading discretionary and not, there was no setup, you know, there's just no setup. And here's the post I made right here. What's the point of back testing and forward testing if you don't trade the setup? Every single time I blow it an account, it's not because of the strategy. It's because I just start trading discretionary. Not sure when the monster will ever leave, but when it does, I'll be live with every prop out there. Because I know all my setups and strategies work. It's just sometimes I just want to take them and just, you know, market looks like it's going short. I'll just hop in and then end up hopping in too many minis, or what happens is I'll hop in on a mini and then I'll add a second mini on a losing trade, hoping to average in. And that's when I usually blow accounts as well. So traded this account really aggressively. You guys know anything about my daily payout accounts? I like to trade them super aggressively. Now I have 3 funded trade day accounts, but I only decided to trade 1 at a time and see if I can get it over the buffer instead of trying to go for all of them. So that's why it looks like this. So $2,649 today on day 1 on trade day. So I will be taking that payout, $697, or it might be, I might have to leave 100 in it. I don't know. I don't remember with trade day. It's been a while. But yeah, I'm going to take that daily payout and 500. So just over $1,000 today in daily payouts. So we'll take that. But if I go ahead and buy a bunch of Apex accounts and try to pass them, and then I pass them and have to activate them, that's going to cost me over $1,000. So I decided to just take a break after I blew those accounts, and I didn't buy any more or anything like that yet. I will, but I haven't bought. Whoa, big gap up. Here we go. Market's open. So yeah, that's what we got going on. That is Bull Pucky. What's going on? 8-cylinder in the house. Tech reviews. Let's see. Sorry. Oh, it's all right, guys. It's all good. I mean, it is what it is. I kind of knew I hit daily loss limit twice on those accounts, and I just knew it was a matter of time that I just couldn't get anything going. I don't know if it was just the psychological part of copy trading them all or what, but got a gap up here in NASDAQ. Glenn in the house. Got my fundeds with one more day of $100, and they're eligible for payout. Did the evals and funded with 1 micro. Been pretty good exercise for me. Dave Mack, I love that. Yeah, Dave Mack has passed his evals and has been trading his funded accounts with 1 micro. 1 micro, and he's getting to a payout. And he just passed the $5,000 mark, and the personal account started with $500. So. So with 1 micro, guys, I mean, that's where it's at, right? Sherry in the house. What's up, Dean Bishop? Ayo Kato. D. Was there no setups, or did the market just not respect them? No, it was just like, I just pushed the button. D. It just pushed the button. I could tell you like what kind of sent me on tilt. Actually, it wasn't really tilt though. Like, I don't want to call it tilt because it really wasn't. Tilt. This wasn't like a real tilt session. For me, I fumbled the, let's see, right. Where was it? Yeah. So I wanted to take the first 2-minute ES inside bar at 8:42. You can see right here, or 9:42 Eastern time. I wanted to take that, and the copy trader trade sinker, I got to the screens a little bit late. See, the market was starting to open, and it wanted me to redo all the connections. The connections were all off, and I didn't get it in on time, and then I saw that it worked beautifully. And so then I just wasn't patient enough and ended up just basically pushing the button and blowing the account. So, I mean, that's just what happened. Whoa, Genius in the house. $19. Thank you for recommending TPT. Let's go. Yeah, Jeannie just got her fourth payout in a row. 4th daily payout. Thank you so much. Didn't have to do that. Appreciate that. Thank you. Thumbs up for Jeannie. But yeah, so that was one of those things, D, that I just screwed it up. Should have just waited for a setup of at least. I mean, it's okay if you take a setup and it doesn't work. Of course, nothing's 100%, and we're gonna lose occasionally, but yeah. Love them since 331. Let's go. Yeah, you've been crushing it. Hopefully you get to a Pro Plus account, then you can get that 90-10 split and not the 80-20. So, but getting those daily payouts, being pretty consistent with it. So we will do a giveaway later in the stream. I got a 50K Lucid account we can give away. Thank you so much for the 7,000 subs. What's up, Coach Fred in the house? We'll start the giveaway. We won't do it till the end of the stream though, but we can start it now. Exclamation point Pine in the chat helps the YouTube algorithm. I'm taking a break this evening. Took me 10 minutes to figure out the super chat. Have a great evening. Oh, thank you so much for being here. Jeannie, yeah, appreciate that. Have a good evening. Enjoy the payouts. Enjoy the payouts. Take a nice little break, little recharge. Nothing wrong with that. Would love a free Lucid account. Yeah, dividend for keeps for sure. Wouldn't we all? All right, market pushing higher here. This is My Funny Future's rapid plan. No gap and go, Maddie. Yeah, it could be. Definitely could be. Let's take a look at the ES2, NQ2 minute. I kind of like this. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh no, I thought I was in micros there. Did not mean to do that. All right, hopping out of one here, or I'm in one mini now. But man, I just hopped in with two minis. I did not mean to do that. Long 2 minute, based off the 2 minute outside bar. See if we can get into these zero prints up in here. This My Funny Future's rapid eval. Yeah, two minis was a little heavy. Even one mini is a little heavy right now. Market's really volatile. Based off this right here. See if we can keep it going. Two-minute Harami. I really need to size down to the micros. This market's too much. So where market is wanting to head right back to that 25,000 zone. That is where what the market just spent all October till until about 2 weeks ago, right around this 25,000 zone. So let's see if we actually start to push up through there. $24,666 is the high on NASDAQ. Took a long based off the outside 2-minute bar. Take a look at ES here. ES 2-minute. Rome Dog in the house. NQ 5-minute inside bar. Take a look at the hourly here. Nice little gap up in the hourly. This is my Final Futures rapid eval. It's not going that great so far tonight. Glad I didn't stay in those 2 minis. That's for sure. Waiting to see if this outside bar holds. Broke to the top side of it right here. If you look at the micro. $24,610. Come on, just hold up, yeah. See if it holds this VWAP. Taking off some right there. Trading this eval pretty aggressively. See if we can break up through the highs now. 2-minute outside bar is still trying to hold. Check out moves on S. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm just trying to. Inside bar looks ugly. It does. Yeah, I'm based off that 2-minute outside, but even that is, I mean, it's trying to hold, but not really. Looking a little bull flaggish, so it might be good if we can get a nice strong close above 20s. We might go through the high. Maybe. There's an outside bar on a NQ. Technically, this wasn't an outside bar on NQ, so this one is, though. Nice break above 20. We might get that continuation, but if we drop down below that VWAP, could be lights out. Exclamation point Pine if you guys want to join the giveaway. Giving away a 50K Lucid Flex. No activation fee, so that's pretty awesome. Use code Pine if you're picking up any Lucid accounts. Thank you so much for the 7,000 subs. 7,000 subs. On our way to 10,000. Hopefully, maybe we'll get there by the end of the year. Picked up about 300 or 400 in the last 30 days. So oof. Well, maybe this goes down now. Breaking that outside bar low. I'm out. Short. Short. I just flipped short, 24,601. This NQ outside bar here. I'm gonna flip long too. I'm gonna look for that bounce off that level. If we can get down there. So I'm gonna take profit and look for the bounce. I would have add RSI to the chart. No. Bull flag is still, yeah, true. I think so too. Oh yeah, we do have some news coming out too later, right? We do have some news. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't stay pinned, like you said. All right, chopping here, 24,600. Hoping it comes down and tests this 580s. Come on, just push it down just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm gonna try that bounce play off that fair value gap line too, if it wants to get pushed down, but right now it's just loving this whole level. Starting to go sideways here. $24,594. Currently up 10 points on this trade, but looking for a little line touch. Down on this account though. Hey, you son of a gun! What are you doing? Just do it. Sorry, not really looking at the chat, guys. Just trying to manage this trade. $24,495. Bounce there at 24,090. One thing I'm glad that I'm still not in that long. That is the positive. This would be hurting real bad. Wow. What was that? What was that? Woof. Nice little 15-point jump. Bull flag possibly breaking now. Getting snip, snap, snip, snap. Covered there. I think I'm gonna. It's looking like a big bull flag break. Take a look. Down 698. So gave back what I made today. Now I'm going to try the bull flag break. Let's see if I can absolutely destroy this account. We do have zero prints sitting up the top there. Getting paper, well, not really paper cut, but sort of paper cut. Entry is 26,602. We're at 24,602. Entry 24,615. Rejecting off the 20 level. Little bull flag break. Hopefully we start to go up and revisit that 640 area. That would be nice. Let's take a look at the 5 here. Yeah, a little outside bar on the 5 as well. Swept down below. Yeah, I got to break above that 620s. 620s. We should go. Get up over there. Looking for 770s. Yeah, I think I think if we break above this 20s now, I think it'll at least, I think we at least visit these zero prints up in here at 658, 665 area. But maybe we don't. Maybe we just consolidate until whatever news is supposed to come out. Little trickery there. Obviously the market's overall bullish just because of the gap up, right? I thought I could at least get down into this 585s to get a little scalp in, but market had other plans. All right, trying to get above that 20 now. There we go. Come on, let's squeeze this pig. There we go. Squeeze it. Right back, gets slammed right back down. What is going on with this price action? What is that? You know what this is called? This is called, I'm gonna end up blowing this account. That's what this price action is called. What was that? Right to the right. It's going right to these even numbers: 630, 610s, 620, 600s, 620s, and just bouncing around them. That's what it just did. I mean, just completely rejected off 630. I'm gonna start trading the 30-00 strategy. The 30-00. Boy, I really felt like we were gonna start squeezing there. What is gold doing? NASDAQ is really annoying. Nice inside bar break on gold. A little bull flag break on that too. ES. Well, that tells the story right here. Look at ES. Just barcoding. Whew. Doc D in the house. What's up? Playing with our emotions. Holy cow. I mean, what was that? Fake breakdown and then fake break up and then fake breakdown and fake break up. And like, okay. Obviously, you would just want to trade on a range and head back to the VWAP. I get it. But man, what was that? Turning my bot on for this market? I don't blame you. Yeah, I just tried to take the bull flag break. I figured, you know, I just said, oh, if we break above 20, we should go. And it squeezed to 30 and then just completely rug pulled right back down. Same with this. Took the outside bar, had it was a nice trade off that. So I don't know, maybe I should just look for like 5 points, 10 points and just get out. 10-point scalps, get out. 10-point scalps, get out. 10-point scalps, get out. I guess that's what I should be doing. Can't hold on to anything. Because we got it there. We got it there. We even got it there. 18. It's 18 points there. Now I feel like this market is just going to sit on the VWAP now. And I got about this count just about cooked. Nah, I got 1,300 left in drawdown. Jeez. Snip, snap, snip, snap. You guys are a fan of The Office? Michael Scott gets those vasectomies. When he says to Jan, he goes, snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snap. That's exactly what I just happened. Looking for 6 points, Russell? Yeah, I mean... Hey, Profit Guru, do I use TradingView or Trade of Bait only? Hey, look at that. Holy cow. I'm frozen. Frozen. FUNQ. See, who's the best trader on YouTube? Right here. Who is the best trader on YouTube? Just say it. $3,800. Come on. Who is the best trader? Rips ain't got shit on me. Rips who? What the heck? Oh my God. Guys, I'm totally joking, but man, what? The news is out. The news is out. Oh man. All right, well, now I have to lose a lot of money. I'm up $3,891 on this account. The max is $1,500. So yeah, guys, that was just obviously just bullshit luck, but you know, that's one of those cases where even with a stop loss, I think that candle would have just absolutely nuked you with a stop loss. My whole account froze. The whole account just completely froze. I kept clicking out, clicking out, clicking out. Luckily, it went in my favor, but if I look, I literally top ticked it to try to get out, and I got a little lucky because it would have absolutely ruined that account. So now I got to lose some money. I got to lose a lot of money, actually. How am I going to do this? Yeah, sorry to anyone who just lost an account on that stupid candle, because this is the BS news-based market that we're living in. Obviously, that was a headline, right? So if anyone knows what the headline was, being in a fund, it would have been nice, right? But yeah, but I would. Yeah, it was all luck. We'll take luck. Yeah, I know. Wild, right? Texting Terry trades 100. I said, what WTF market? Like, what the heck is that? All right, we are very far along with definitive agreement concerning long-term peace with Iran. Trump agrees to 2-week suspension, no more bombshells. Flip old contracts plan. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I don't want to do that. But yeah, you're right, Ethan. I don't want to do that because that could actually nuke it in a hurry. We set up a bracket here. I'm gonna call it the lose money or loose money loss. Let's see. Calling it the I need to lose money bracket. Okay. Guys, do not follow any of this trades here. I am just trying to lose some money. Let's do 40 tick stop. And let's just try to lose some money here. It's called I need to lose money. All right, gotta lose about 1,000 now. Look how easy it is to make money when you're not trying to make it. What? Oh my goodness. I only have 3,000 on this trade. Just hit the spread on September gold. I'm up. You guys want to know how to get locked out of a or hit 10,000 in one day? I'm going to show you right now. Currently up 5,000 on this trade. Adding into the winner. Blew a TF kind of like that. Yeah, I know. I've done the same. I've definitely have screwed this up before. So what you do, see, this way, if you're Furu, this is what you do. You just go like this, and then you show it. You go, look at this, guys. Look at this. You guys recording this? Oh, this market. Be careful, everyone. Guys, seriously, all honestly, be careful. This will wreck you. This will blow every single account in your arsenal if you're not careful. So even with one micro can wreck you at the moment. I mean, the volatility is really picking up. All right, I'm just gonna try to get out. I mean, I'm just trying to lose money at this point. Market is right up there, 24,844. Oh, Terry Trades is in the house. What's up, Terry? Trying to lose money now. On this My Funny Futures eval. I wish this was in this account or this Rapid. We'd be eating lobster tails. Lobster tails for dinner. Here it's coming back down. I'm scared to, so I can move it down a little bit. I'm scared that it's gonna just blast through my stop and. There it goes again. Right back up. How much do I have to lose? I only can make $1,500 in this account. So $1,500 a day. So it's 50% consistency. I thought you were banking lobster. I know. Yeah, no, I'm trying to lose money. Yeah, it's before the day ends. Yep, Johnny buys land. So it's whatever your market closes at is your 50%. Do I have to get down to 51.5? No, no, because I was already up. So I can't do the math in my head, but yeah, I was already up like $700-800. So for the today, because this is day 2 on the account. So if anyone asked any questions while all that was going on, while I was in that trade, go ahead and feel free to ask it again. I wasn't really paying attention to the chat while all that was going on. So anyone with Tradeify not have a new day started open? I'm still showing from 5 p.m. Eastern time. Oh, there we go. Come on, let's get a little push down here. Every single time you try to lose money, it goes your favor, right? Do have a bunch of single prints to the downside, so we might actually try to push down and fill some of that area. If you guys are just tuning in, I'm trying to lose money. I want to be out of this trade. Yeah, 2 tick stop loss, 3 minutes, you'll lose quick. That's for sure. So many headlines, Terry. Yeah, the squawk box going crazy. Israel military, we identified missiles launched from Iran toward Israel. That was just a minute ago. Yeah, and then we just said that Trump just tweeted or did something on Truth saying that there was peace talks. You're trying to lose money. I'm getting my stop loss on it. Well, that was me earlier. I got lucky on this trade right here. I mean, you can see. I mean, the setup was there. Took the bull flag break. And then it went up and absolutely smacked. Now, give me a break, guys. Like, you know people front ran this, right? You know that you're not in the group that front ran this. Gap open, came up, consolidated, and then the news broke. So this was all of Trump's buddies, right? That bought this to gap up and then just made a couple more million, billion, whatever, trillion. It's like, once that gap and go happened, it's like, yeah, it's a big old group and we're not in it. I guess you got to look for those little signs. All right, I just need 758.75 to lose some money here. Looking kind of like a bull flag again. Man, if I wasn't trying to lose money, I'd probably go long. Come back and test that 740 and see if it rips. 44 the Punisher in the house. I'm convicted insider trading on this. Oh yeah. If you think they're not doing that, wake up. Oh, well, I know, Tommy C. But you can see it. You can see the proof on the charts. You can see it. You can see the volume that pumps in just before a news break. Trump's at the breakfast tables telling Barron, going, "Hey, I like green eggs and ham. Do you know what I'm saying? I like green eggs and ham." He goes, "Oh, okay. I got you. I know what you're putting down." Can you just make 7,200? So 3,168 was 50%. I don't know. I can't do math. Probably, but we got the greenest eggs you ever seen. yeah. Mototimo. You know what I really don't like is red beans and rice. Red beans and rice. Do you have to give back in the same instrument amount or try a different instrument? Oh, no, you can just give it back, whatever, however. I mean, I can just go back and forth, but... So I can just close out here and just do this. Till I lose enough money. That's usually the way I do it, but you just gotta be careful. See, you gotta pay attention. $2,400 now. See, I just lost too much. Damn it. I lost too much. Oh well. That's all right. I still need to trade this account, so we can trade it. I need to make I can make $500 more. Let's get rid of all this level show fill stuff. So looking really bullish here. Another bull flag break. That's only on funded accounts, gains. That's only on funded accounts. In my funded futures doesn't have that anymore, gains. Ganesh. Ganesh, yeah. My funded futures doesn't have that. Is Tradeify down? I think there might be something going on with Tradeify. Someone else was complaining earlier, so... Trying along here. See if it continues that breakout. All right, I'm out for $300 right there. So at 1371 now. I'm gonna size down to a micro now. A few micros. Took a long based off the little pullback on this this pine line, this fair value gap on a 2-minute after we broke the high. So at 1371, ended up losing a little bit too much money on that. But a nice little trade there. 15 points. No drawdown either. Still looking like it's going to go a little bit higher. See, 150 bucks. Crude's dropping hard now. Yeah, it is. Crude is dropping hard. You are right. Long 2 micros. Back to the micro chart. Gonna front run that 80s. Feels like we squeeze. Basically hopping in the same trade, but just size down the micros. And so essentially what I did is scaled out, per se, out of that position. And I'm just looking for right around 140, 150 bucks. If we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. Just took the same long on my trade day funded for 700 bucks. Let's go. Sorry, I haven't really been interacting with the chat much. I am just slinging contracts over here. Market's moving finally during Globex. So I'm trying to take some advantage of it. Holding on a little bit. Oh, there we go. Come on. Boom. All right. Let's take a look at that. All right. Gotta lose $6. We can do that. Maybe I'll just wait for the market to calm the F down a little bit. Just made 700 on this bad boy. Trade day funded account. You see right here. Same trade. Took a little bounce off that. A little scalp. 2 minis. Let's go. Let's go. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We're going to do a giveaway later. 50K Lucid account. Smash that like button. 323 people watching. Let's go. Let's go. Up 1,500 on this account. Up 700 on the funded account. Was up. If you guys are just tuning in, I was up almost $9,000 on this My Funded Futures Rapid account. Pure luck. Or I should say pure skill, no luck. Just kidding. It was all luck. I'm just joking. Back to 25K. Yes, that's where we're going, Echo Trader. Yep, back to 20. Let's take a look at the daily. Let's look at the continuous daily chart. You can see the continuous daily chart way back in October. This right here. Right where we're headed. $24,915. Market currently up 1.64%. Oh, check out the Discord. All right. Hey, let's go. You guys gotta, this is Bear Trader right here. Bear Trader. He's got his moose ready for the giveaway. He's got the nitrous and the turbo all hooked up. Look out. It's hilarious. It's getting ready. Bot's up $239 to MNQ. Let's go, Russell. Love it. So NQ is going up right now? Yeah. You can say that. We are straight up. Guys, I almost screwed up that account real bad. I mean, that was stupid. I mean, I was up. I'm going to actually take my trade day payout before I screw anything up. Let's see if it's updated before this market gives me FOMO and I want to start trading my daily payout account. Same with my funded futures, really. Trade day website's been a little bit slow today. If you guys are interested in trade day. All right, here it is. Trade day. So payout requests. I should be able to request 649, right? 649.90, or is it $100? I think it's anything over 2,000, but you have to have. I think it's a minimum payout, maybe something. Yeah, so $500. Oh, look, 649, not 6. So here we go. Submit. We'll take that. Submitted. We'll see how long that takes. That way I can trade the account again. Now, they're not minimum, I think 250. Oh yeah, that's right, Nest. Yeah, I think you're right. I think it is 250. Ceasefire accepted by Iran. Okay, okay though. That's good news, I guess, for the market. 300 people watching, 200 likes. Let's get it up to 250. We'll do a Lucid giveaway. Lucid account. All right, market's pushing up here, 24,969. Continuing to push. I think I'll trade some of this trade day funded if I see anything good. End of day accounts, guys. So end of day trailing account on trade day. Tradeify has this too for daily payout accounts. The end of day. It is a game changer when you're trying to get over. If you're trying to get a day one payout compared to intraday trailing, it really, really, really is nice. But pretty kind of difficult to pass these evals. They have 40% consistency. You really have to take your time. Do 5 days minimum. Where Take Profit Trader is a little bit easier to pass, and Take Profit Trader you can make a little bit more in a single day as well. Where Trade Day, really they start to cut you off around 5,000, and then they start to evaluate you for live. So they really try to protect their accounts. Where with Take Profit Trader you can you can make 10,000 on in one day with 5 accounts. Trade day you're only allowed 3 accounts. So I do have 3 funded accounts right here, and but they all are end of day. This one we're gonna wait for our approved payout, so I'm not gonna touch it. Don't touch it. And work on some of these. Currently up 710 on this one tonight. Looking real bullish. Makes you just want to just hit the button long. See if we can blast through. Take a look at the 2-minute chart here. So end of days, you can look for a little bigger moves. You can let your winners run and not worry about it coming back, that the intraday trailing coming back and getting you. So came right up to this 25,000 level and is pulling back. Oof, I don't know. I'm gonna try to take a short off the outside bar here. Maybe look for a little scalp. A little crazy. Something like this. 2-minute chart here. Let's go to short off this outside bar. I'm already up 700, so I can risk pushing it. See if we can get down and fill that single print down in there. 909. Get a max pain stop up there. Decides it wants to rip my face off. You never know. Could get one of those other candles here. 24,940. Maybe another bull flag break. Come on, outside bar. Come on, do it. Chopping around here. Ba. Well, market is consolidating right here at 24,936. I do think it wants to push up to that 25,000. But just trying to look for a little scalp off this outside bar. Come on, get down there. Trying to hold up. Bulls are trying to hold it up. Stopped at the high. I'm still up on this account. It's the nice thing about end of day accounts. Intraday trailing accounts, you can't do this like this. Very, very difficult. Intraday trailing will get you. I might even look for more if we tried to fail. We'll see. Exclamation point pound in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. All prop firm selling 1,000 accounts. Yeah. Yeah, you're in. I'm sure you're in. It's pretty accurate. All right, maybe we actually do go through the highs. I'm gonna hold on to it though. See if this outside bar holds. Looks like we're going through the high. You can't stop winning. Ba, ba, ba. It's about ready to fail. And we... Wow. Yeah, it did not fail there. It almost got stopped out there by the tick. Wow. I think we're going through now. I'm saving myself $200. Down 394 now. Equal highs there. Equal high. We're going up through, I think. You just put in equal highs on NASDAQ. Come on. Just flip long. I like this. I'm long and everything. Put in NASDAQ just put in equal highs by the tick. I think that's gonna get run. Long in all my fundeds. Come on, squeeze it. Short did not work off that outside bar, but we just put in those 986 is the equal high. Should get run here. Take a look at, whoops. What happened to my NASDAQ 5? Oh, right here. Yeah, same on the NQ5. These are all trade day funded accounts. So, having some fun. See if we can get some more day one payouts. Let's blast up through there. Sorry guys, I haven't been paying attention to the chat. I'm just trying to cook here. I'm usually like talking with the chat, but the market is cooking right now, so I'm just trying to make a little money. Exclamation point. We will do a giveaway a little bit later though, probably about 20 minutes or so. Let's blast up through that equal high there. Come on. All right, this is the equal high break. There it goes, it's squeezing now. We're squeezing, squeeze it. Rejecting off that 25,000, and we're gonna blast through it. All right, I'm gonna take I'm gonna let one off on one funded. I'm gonna go to my other funded here. I'm gonna leave that runner. Just gonna leave that runner. Place to stop. I'm gonna say stop break even now. Stops to break even on this. Let's see if I can catch a nice runner. End of day account, you can let them run. Come on, let's go. Up 1,100 right now. No, I don't care about 1,100. I want $2,000. I want a payout. Squeeze. $25,020s here. Yes. Yes. All right, trailing the stop here. Trailing a stop. Locking the 1,000 on that. Might reject at this 20s. Still going. Heck with it. Let's just see if we actually get the squeeze. Stops below 25,000, but locking in profit. But I'm just gonna see if this is a squeeze. I'm gonna be really mad if it just keeps going, and I don't get that daily payout. So I'm okay with it coming down and you know, losing some of this money. This is an end of day account trade day. So if I get it over $2,000, basically $2,250, then I can take that daily payout. Yes, look at that. Come on. Rejection here, 25,040. Come on, come on. Let's get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it. Woo! All right. 1,955. That's good. We're almost over the buffer. We're almost over the buffer. Let's just settle down. Settle down. All right. So here's what we got. $1,955 on that funded. $731 on this funded. $1,500 on this My Funded Futures Rapid. And no blown accounts. Surprisingly. See if we can get that out. All right. So anyways, yeah, sorry guys, I was cooking there. Guys, smash that like button. Chose the wrong day to take the evening off, Jeannie. I mean, we're still going. Well, that's a great little start here. Great little start. Now, if I just like tomorrow morning, like if I go and take a little setup, you know, start looking for a couple $100 maybe on one of my systematic type trades, and then we can take a little daily payout perhaps on this account, and then hopefully this account right here is we get this approved tonight, and then I'll just copy trade both of those, and then maybe get daily payout ×2 on the trade days. So that's what I like about trade days, take profit traders, the daily payout stuff. That long was basically, so I went short here, got burned, but then flipped the switch once we came up and smacked an equal high. So you can see right here, the high of this candle was 986. The high of this candle was 986. When I saw that and it pulled back, I'm like, oh boy. I'm like, we're gonna push up and bust through that, because anytime you see those equal highs or equal lows on the candlestick chart, you just get that feeling that it is a good high probability that we're gonna bust through. So that's all that trade was. So yeah, we're cooking tonight. Thanks guys, appreciate that. Who we got in the chat? Yeah, I felt like I was holding a lot of I felt like I was holding my breath. See, when you're trading funded accounts like that, and you're trying, you know, you can get to a payout, which is probably why I exited out, right? Like even just trailing my stop probably been a better move, but I think it got to me once I started seeing 2000 flash. And here's the reason, because with take profit trader, I'm used to that intraday trailing drawdown. So when I see 2000 flash real quick with the intraday trailing accounts, that means that usually the trailing is going to stop. And so I usually exit out of my position. It's just a habit. I exit out of my position at 2000, and then I'll look for another trade to get the daily payout, if that makes sense. Very rarely do I ever get it like in one trade and then take the daily payout on the one trade. It's usually a few trades maybe to get it to the 2000, and then try to get it over, or once I'm there at that's the first target to me. And then once you're there, to get the daily payout. So you try to make another trade. And then at that point, oftentimes I'll just switch to a few micros. And if I can make 150, 200 bucks, then I'm perfectly fine with it. Now, the nice thing obviously the nice thing about end of day trailing accounts, like with trade day, Pine with a capital P, if you're picking up any trade day accounts, Pine with a capital P, it is case sensitive. Is that so if you have a good day going, it's okay to push it. And the only reason why I was able to let this trade lose and take so much heat was because I was in one mini, was because I was already up 700 bucks. Now, if that was an intraday trailing account, that would have been that account would have been pretty close to getting cooked. But because it was an end of day account, on day ones, you can push them. You can push your winning days, not just your winning trades, but your winning days when you have an end of day, no consistency account. If the market's going to give it to you, if the market's going to have nice volatility and you're able to push them, then you can do that. But you guys always know, like when I'm taking and trading my no consistency with my consistency accounts, my winning days tend to be like 200, 300, 400 bucks. You know, just take the base hit and run, because there's no sense of taking a consistency account and trying to make 10,000 on it in a day. You know, so. But with no consistency accounts and day one payout accounts, that's when I like to push the button. And that was a good example of something that you would see me do during New York session, because this is moving like New York. and that's exactly how I push them over. So anyways, that was exhausting. Who said trading is boring? Right? Anyways, yeah, we're gonna do a Lucid giveaway. Thank you, Dimitri. Eric Lake, 14,000 bucks today. Let's go. Trading's not boring. It's interesting. It can be, for sure. For sure. I stare at candles all day and all night, never bored. I know, Jeannie. Yeah, I do the same. For the most part, I mean, it's getting to the point now where I, like, after I get off stream tonight, I don't know. I might trade a little just because the market's moving, but I definitely, like, after that trade right there, I feel drained. Now I have 100K, 50K, 25K. It broke. Fun. Let's go, Modi. Exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys. We'll do a giveaway here. Smash the like button. I know we got a couple hundred people watching. I really appreciate that. And I'm not too... Where do we take profit there? I mean, I don't really care. I don't want to do a little FOMO there. But yeah, we definitely got the daily payout. It squeezed another 40 points off that, but you know, maybe we'll still get the daily payout here. Just gotta sit and wait for another setup. Boy, the outside bar absolutely just paid, right? But could you trade it correctly? No. You couldn't even trade that with a micro. Well, it's yeah, almost 400 points. 400 point candle there. So we'll give away a 50K Lucid account to a lucky winner. I have a feeling that some people need it. If you guys are picking up any accounts tonight, and you'd like to help support this channel, please use code PINE, MyFunded Futures, Apex. Probably a pretty good night to pass some Apex accounts, I'm just saying. Just saying. Or at least it was. Don't know what the market's going to do now. Tokyo is not even open yet, so. But yeah, Lucid, MyFunded Futures, Trade Day, Take Profit Trader, anything, if you, all the major props, basically. If you would like to help support this channel, I appreciate you guys using code PINE. And but yeah, tonight we're gonna give away a Lucid account, 50K Flex, which is a great account to have. There's no activation fee, and you can take your time with the thing because they don't really have monthly rebills or anything. So you can actually just take your time, pass that eval. Just got 2 Lucid payouts this week. So 2 Lucid payouts. Just use Pine with a couple of Apex accounts. Let's go. Yeah, they got some cheap evals going on right now. So that is a nice advantage if you want to try to sling some contracts during this market, is trading some cheap evals, right? The ones that the all-in cost evals, a little pricey sometimes to smash or pass, which some people do. I don't know who would do that, but some people do that. But that can add up. So it's nice to have a few cheaper evals, Bulenox as well. If you're trading with Rhythmic, Bulenox is an option. Like 50Ks, yeah, 50Ks are good. Lucid is one of the best smoke, for sure. I love Lucids. Seeing a lot of new names in the chat too, so I appreciate everyone hanging out. Welcome. over 7,000 subs. I'm here every single night, same time, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. I wish every single Globex Open was like this. I wish. Even though I did get chopped up. Let's not forget, I got chopped up bad to start the stream, so I'm not gonna lie about that. I got chopped to pieces. But we are back green, and that's all that matters. Yeah, oil is dumping. I mean, I hope oil keeps going down. I mean, why not? Almost $50 to fill the old Clambo. Daryl, yeah, you missed some nice moves, but I have a feeling Tokyo is going to open up here in about 25 minutes, and you're going to get some nice movement in Tokyo too. This could be, unless we just sit right at this 25,000 level and consolidate, which I don't think we're going to do, but that could happen. I think we're going to get some good movement all night. And tomorrow, I suspect, so. Tried fun to see pretty good, just like TPT daily payout, but no trailing drawdown. Shut up and skate. Oh, okay, yeah, I've been hearing a lot about it. Funded C. I haven't traded them yet. I'll let you guys be the guinea pigs before I start promoting them or anything, or getting an affiliate with them. But yeah, I've been hearing some good things, so hopefully. I mean, there's always going to be another prop firm that's gonna come around. I mean, Lucid was new too, right? And so it wasn't they were all new once. It's just I get real skeptical of these props, you know, popping up. I mean, I'm still going through the fast track trading lawsuit stuff, so they want my payout money back. You know, I got a beautiful payout from fast track trading back in the day. I was a struggling trader just like some of you, and starting to really get my feet on the ground and start getting consistent payouts, and got my largest single payout ever with that prop firm. And then Scott Trieste, who is the owner and founder of the Prop Pit, same founder of Fast Track Trader, decided to well, I shouldn't say he, but during bankruptcy court wants my payout money back. So now I have lawyers writing me letters, and not just me, many other traders wanting all that payout money back from 2 years ago. And yet this scumbag can manage to start another prop firm called the Prop Pit. You know who's not going to be trading the Prop Pit? Me. So just be aware. Be aware. Scott Trieste. He is the founder of Fast Track Trading that I'm getting clawbacked on, and he somehow I'm getting clawbacked on because of what they say is bankruptcy, because of a Ponzi scheme. So they're trying to say it's a Ponzi scheme, but then the founder of Fast Track Trader can start another prop firm? Are you kidding me? Really? So anyways, that's all I'm going to say about that. So yeah, they want me to pay back like $13,000. Yeah, Sam, he did. He started a new prop firm. Can you believe that? Called the Prop Pit. Matter of fact, I got in a little argument with him on a post. Check this out. So this person says that, look, prop pit paid him out, right? And I says, yeah, FTT paid me out as well. Now 2+ years later, they want the money back. And then Scott Trieste commented onto mine and says, FTT has nothing to do with the clawbacks. I'm very sorry that you're dealing with this. If you'd like some actual information on this matter, please come to our Discord and read through the history. Yeah, okay. I said, regardless of who's responsible, the fact is that I still am being forced to pay back the trading payouts that I got from Fast Track Trading. And this was before I was on as an influencer at any affiliate or any prop firm. I was just a trader trying to figure it out. What happens if the prop pit goes under bankruptcy? Will it be the same scenario where thousands of traders will be clawed back years later? Yeah, I'm good. So that's what I wrote to Scott Trieste. Fucking scumbag. Excuse my language. Earmuffs. And the thing is like, you know, I can pay it back, but there's thousands of traders that probably are not even trading anymore that are getting letters from lawyers threatening to get that money back. So anyways, that's why I am being very cautious about certain prop firms that I'm trading with at the moment. You know, they're around a year so, and they show some payouts consistently, because any prop firm can go out of business, guys. I mean, let's just be real. I mean, anyone can go out of business, and I should have known better. I mean, I knew it was kind of too good to be true with those accounts, so it is a little bit my fault in a way. But like I said, I wasn't an affiliate or anything. I was just trading. I was just like you guys. I was just trading, just buying accounts and slinging contracts. So anyways, let's go. Let's do a moose race, guys. All right, we got 400 people in the... I'm going to do a shotgun. Shotgun. 400 people in the giveaway. Exclamation point Pine, guys. We'll give you guys 5 minutes. No, not 5 minutes. I'll give you guys till 6:45. So what is that? 2 minutes. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Don't crash your car. 2-minute clock right here. Get it in. 2 minutes. We had way too many people in. I've been going on a little bit too long. So, do a little shotgun here. And this says 2 minutes. I will close entries and we will do a moose race giveaway. Even though Bear Trader says he's got it locked up because he's got the moose on nitrous here. He's got the moose on nitrous. I love this. What a good night though so far. Got this funded account up to 1955. I'm glad everyone was here to trade with me. Appreciate that. I still gotta lose a little bit of money on this. Let me do that right now. All right, right there, 14.99.56. So that's perfect. Let's close that one out. And my funded futures, I'm gonna take another payout tonight or tomorrow. And trade day took a payout, so daily payouts. So hopefully I can get another daily payout with trade day tomorrow. That'll be sweet. All right, guys, 10 seconds. Exclamation point Pine. Let's see. Online stopwatch. What is today? It's only Tuesday? Wow. All right, closing entries. I even gave you guys an extra 30 seconds. 230 people in. Don't worry, don't fear. We will do more giveaways. Thank you to the sub. All right, 230 people. Oh, I just messed that up. Damn it. There we go. All right, don't forget the Moose Race hat. Okay, Moose Race hat. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Thank you guys for the 7,000 subs. Thank you guys for using code PINE. Let's do a race. Let's give away an account. I'm feeling good. Good luck, good luck. Here we go, here we go. 230 of you in there. A lot of Mises. Chris Hoy on the inside. We got DCA Gangmaster in the house. Don't DCA with too large a size. You cook your account like I did today. Brian Tenick. Let's go. Who's it going to be? 20 seconds. It's for a 50K Lucid account. Brian Adams. Got the early lead here, but can they hold it? It is getting close. It's down to the wire. Someone's going to come out of nowhere. We watch. Who's going to be? Wow, this is a tight race. Oh, someone on the inside lane here. Who is this? Something N2O. Crocodile Hunter in the house. Oh, Eric Lake's so close. Eric, so close at second place. So close. Eric Hunter, congratulations. So close. Crocodile Hunter in the house. Big win. Let's go. Congratulations, Crocodile Hunter. All right, guys. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to do one for members only. Surprise. I'm going to do one for members only. So give me a second. Members only, exclamation point, Pine. Members only. This is for a 50K Lucid account. Crocodile Hunter, I'll get with you in just a second. I'm going to do this real quick, and I'll get right back to you. If you're in the Discord, that'll be cool. If not, that's cool too. I don't know if I'm going to put the Discord in the chat. I don't know if you can click it or not. But if not, we can do it through email too. So let the members only get there. I'll go back to, there's a Discord link in the chat. I'm going to pin it too. All right, market just consolidating here, just above 25,000. I cannot believe we're back above 25K. Kind of wild. All right, do we have all the members in here? Looks like it. Okay. Closing entries. Go back to anyone here. So, all right, so everyone can chat now. All right. I don't know why I clicked off that. All right, guys, members only. Let's do a members only race here. Let's do something fun. I like to do something different when we do members only. This is a new one. I haven't seen this one yet. The Firefly race. All right, the Firefly race. Members only. Shuffling up. Let's go. Good luck. Look, Trader Moe's right out to an early lead here. We got Coach Fred on the inside. We got Era Lake. We got Walden. We got Visible ID. We got Nomadic Trades, TJP, Dividends for Keeps, Heather. We got Bear Trader 64. Missed here, but got that race going. Who's it gonna be? It's Crocodile Hunter. What's your Discord name? Is it Lip Scotty? This race is a little boring. I don't think I'll be doing this one again. Real Robot out of nowhere. Real Robot. Look at that. See, Real Robot hit the... All right, Real Robot. Congratulations. And let me get these accounts to you guys so you guys can get trading them. The nice thing about with Lucid right now, as an affiliate, they give you codes. So I can just easily give you guys a code, and that way you don't have to wait. You can just do your account or get your account. All right, let me check here. Gonna make sure I don't give you someone else's code that I already gave. All right. So, bang. Market's just consolidating here. We got Tokyo Open here in 5 minutes. And then who else we got? We got Real Robot in the house. Real Robot, you are in the Discord as well? What's your Discord name? I'm sure you're in the Discord, right? Robot. Okay, cool. Got you. Congrats. Just sent you a DM. Oh, I gotta add you as a friend. So I just added you as a friend. Go ahead and accept my DM. And I will get you that Lucid code. Boom. All right. And all right, Real Robot, I just sent you that. So let me write that down. Make sure I write that down. $4S 7J. Okay, cool. I tricked a moose, not that. Yeah. All right, guys. I think that's gonna do it for me. Thank you so much. Slam some trades tonight. Yeah, traded really aggressively. It worked out. That's the gamble, right? Sometimes when you're trading aggressively, it doesn't work out. But yeah, up very nicely. Hopefully, I can get another daily payout tomorrow. Got 2 today. See if we can get another one tomorrow. Thank you, Jeannie, for the $20 super chat. Appreciate that. And I appreciate every one of you guys for just being here, smashing that like button every single day. We do this every single night, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. We don't do giveaways every night. I wish I could, but we can't. Yeah, thank you for the 7,000 subs. Thank you for using code PINE if you're picking up in any accounts. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern time on My Funded Futures TV. It's just me on there for 30 minutes. So they're in New York, so it's fun. And I'll see you guys later, right? Have a good night. Be careful in this market. Tokyo Open, it could get volatile. I don't know. Even more volatile than it is. We never know. But all right, guys.
Yeah.
Peace.
Tree trader, charts lit, wrist tight, inside bars only.
Thank you.
Let's work.
I'm trading in the pies, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk a fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. Ain't Q moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah, we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the pine tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk defined, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah, funded to live, that's a different feel. Trade, they take profit, Apex on